In this video, I'll show you how to use instant deposit on Robinhood step by step. First, open the app and log into your account. Before you begin, make sure your bank account is already linked. Once you're on the home screen, tap your profile icon in the bottom corner, then go to Transfers or Tap Menu and select Transfer Money. Now choose Deposit or Transfer from your bank. Enter the amount you want to deposit, then tap Review to check the details. After that, tap Submit to start the transfer. As soon as you submit, the app may give you instant buying power for a portion or all of that amount, depending on your account status. This means you can start investing right away without waiting for the full transfer to complete. Keep in mind, the actual money will still take a few business days to settle in your account. You can track your deposit status anytime in the History section. Also, make sure you don't cancel the transfer from your bank, or it could cause restrictions on your account. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials.